Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix WhatsApp calls not coming through unless the app is open, background and notification fix. For Android users, fix 1. Turn on background data. Open your phone setting and tap on apps or apps and notification. Select the WhatsApp from the list and tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi or data usage. You just have to turn on the toggle for background data. Fix 2. Remove battery restriction. Open settings, app, WhatsApp and tap on the battery or app battery usage. Choose unrestricted or turn off the manage battery usage. Fix 3. Allow display over other apps. Open the setting on your device, navigate to apps and select WhatsApp. Then scroll down to find display over other apps or appear on top. Toggle the allow option to turn it on. Fix 4. Reset WhatsApp notification. Open the WhatsApp, tap 3 dots top right and select setting. Then tap notification and tap 3 dots top right again. Then you have to select reset notification settings and tap reset. For iPhone fixes, you fix 1. Turn on the background app refresh. Open your iPhone settings, scroll down and tap WhatsApp. Turn on the toggle for background app refresh. Fix 2. Disable low power mode. You just have to open the settings, scroll down and tap no battery and turn off the toggle for low power mode. Fix 3. Force close and restart. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen to open the app switcher. Swipe up on the WhatsApp app and then off screen, then close it completely. Then restart your iPhone by holding the power button and volume button. Thanks for watching.